Hello, welcome to your new home. So glad you made it out to view this beautiful property. This is located in Terra Vista, which is our gated resort community of Hernando, Florida. So we are in Central Florida where you have easy commutes to everything you would like to enjoy, like the theme parks only an hour and a half away, Tampa an hour and a half away, shopping, lots of choices in restaurants within 30-45 minute drive, and it's so quiet and peaceful here. So I'm so excited to show you this beauty. The first thing we have is the guest wing of the house, and you see that we have two very spacious guest bedrooms, one that's 11 by 12 approximately, and a nice guest bath with tub shower combo in it. And the second guest bedroom, which is 11 by 14. You notice we have high ceilings. We've got some nice architectural features like the extra tall doorways, the bullnose corners, lots of little nooks for decorating. Beautiful archway separating the formal dining room area and the guest wing from the back half of the house. This house is 2,424 square feet of a living area, heated and cooled. Well-appointed laundry room with the laundry tub and the cabinets. We've got the half bath here, and then of course this door is going to take you out to the oversized two-car garage. So this garage has the extra bump out, which you could essentially get that golf cart over here and still have room for two cars. We've got the door, the side garage door. We've got the air handler that's mounted up, and we still have room. It's deep enough to have room for workbenches and storage, and an extra freezer out here. This house does have blown-in insulation in the attic. It also has a new water heater as well as a new pool pump and motor. You notice the beautiful polished tile floors that lead all the way from the entry foyer out to the sparkling pool. Open concept, good sized pantry. Beautiful quartz countertops, all stainless steel appliances, double basin sink, light fixtures are just gorgeous. We've got the double pane tilt windows in this house, a very spacious breakfast nook and seamless window overlooking the pool, and of course the golf course. Hopefully you're noticing the golf course in the back there. This is on the first green of the golf course. And one of the things as far as location, there's a lot of things I like about this particular location, but you're right around the corner from a side private gated entrance, which means that when you go to leave, you don't have to drive through the whole community to get in and out for grocery shopping and things like that. This office, so this is a true 3-bedroom with an office. So this office space, it's got a nice desk set up here that can stay if you want all of this to remain. So you just move right in and start working. I also like the design that the office has a pocket door attaching to the master bathroom. So you're right there, convenient to the bathroom. Water closet, very spacious, and a walk-in shower, lots of space in there with the glass block wall for privacy. Updated bathroom with new vanity, beautiful tiling, jacuzzi tub, very nicely put together. We've got 2 walk-in closets here, so I'll give you a peek at those. Really good space. And over here is a secondary closet, also great storage in that closet. Master bedroom has the tray ceiling. And we've got a nice French door that leads out to the pool area, again overlooking the golf course. So when you're splashing in this refreshing pool, you will be able to be entertained by the golf carts going by and watching the golfers. There's some nice hills, so you have some nice terrain to look at back here. And if you're not familiar with Terra Vista, this is a community that it's like going on a resort vacation in Florida. There's every amenity you can think of in this community, from the full-service spa to multiple pools to the fitness centers, state-of-the-art with all of the equipment that you could possibly want, restaurants, tiki bars, walking paths, dog parks, pickleball. This house is within walking distance of the activity center, so there's a lot of fun things that you can get to without having to pack up and jump in the car. So it's just a fantastic location. It's move-in ready. Not sure what more you would ask for than a beautiful house like this. And this is just hitting the market. It's your opportunity to snatch this one up before anyone else does. So if you have any questions about this property, please do not hesitate to reach out. 352-476-3303. Ruth Squires, your Realtor on demand. Keller Williams Realty, RES Luxury Group, White Glove Service, Red Carpet Treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. Thanks for stopping by.